Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. This is my frame and I would like to change the mount of my Garmin Varia because it doesn't match with the high-tech design of the frame. So I searched in the internet to find something beautiful that will match with the frame. I found a brand that is called Sloperoad. Here, as you can see, the website, you can search bike parts. What I search is the mount for my Garmin Varia. You press here and in the drop bar you can find the specific model of your bike, Trek Madone Gen 8. So there were two options, frame mount and seat post mount. I choose the seat post mount, I think it's better for me. I bought and I received the package. This is the package, very small, simple. It came fast. They needed a few days to construct this. This is the unboxing. I ordered also the race number mount. This for the light and the other is for the race number. Let's see now how it is. A kind of manual. It's looking very good, very smooth the plastic. I will show you soon what it means this because it's a bit expensive, but what is expensive, there is a reason why it is expensive. The materials and the procedure and the printers are a bit different from what we see in the market. This is it, nice construction. And this is the mount for the race number. It is a quarter turn mount, like the Garmin Varia mounts. Very nice, the click, okay. And here in the bolt I will mount the race number.
SLS 3D printers use a high-powered laser to fuse small particles of thermoplastic powder together to create solid parts. Since the unfused powder supports the parts during printing, there's no need for dedicated support structures. This makes SLS ideal for complex geometries including interior features, undercuts, thin walls, and negative features. The self-supporting nature of the technology also allows operators to tightly arrange multiple parts within a single build to optimize material usage and maximum throughput. Once the build chamber cools down, printed parts are removed, separated, and cleaned of excess powder, which can then be recycled to reduce or even completely eliminate waste. SLS 3D prints have a naturally grainy finish, but can be further post-processed by media blasting, tumbling, painting, or coating to achieve the desired finish and material properties.
Now I will remove the old Garmin mount. Very simple. And I will install the new one. No, this is the wrong direction, upside down, like that. It's very simple. There are two screws. I think it's 2 millimeters or 2.5 millimeters, I don't remember. Be careful not to lose the bolts. Let's see the same procedure but from a different angle, because from this angle you can see exactly how I'm doing this job. It's very simple. Now I will install the seat bag, the saddle bag, to see if it is everything okay, if the drivers can see the light from backwards. It is looking very good, but I would like to see if the drivers can see. I think that from this view it is visible. Let's check now something, if the radar is working, because there are some instructions in the Garmin manual. So we will check if everything is exactly like the manual. These are the instructions. So what I see that you should have 15 degrees right there, and the distance from the top of the tire to the lower edge of the radar. Let's check first the angle. Okay, I think it's okay, it's 15 degrees, exactly as the manual says. And now we have to check the distance from the top of the tire to the lower edge of the mount. So there is a distance. They don't say specific how much it will be. It should be the distance, but it is a lot. So I think it will be working great. Let's check now the race number. I think it is looking very good, very nice. It will be fast, the change from radar light to race number. It is looking very good. So enjoy your rides, have a good summer, and see you in the roads. Safe rides.